I mean, it's not a bad review, but so I just purchased this like mid-July. It's still brand new. I never used any of these things. So it gets stuck. Like you can see, it's stuck. It's literally, I try all, it's just stuck. It's brand new. Yeah. I been sending emails to this company. I mean, they just telling me like you have to can use it for anything else. Just I mean, for somebody's gonna purchase these things, except that to drill just for curtains, and you get stuck. And again, I'm not the kind of person who can put some bad reviews, but I've been going back and forth with them emails. They just send in me like, oh, you have to unscrew this, like this head right here, it's stuck. It's look how hard it is. Get it out.
This is my review of the AVID Power cordless drill. I actually got this thing solely for changing strings on guitars. I got the little adapter here from Music Nomad as well. I'll make a video about this probably too. And this thing works great. It comes with a ton of little chuckable drill bits for pre-drilling holes, little sockets, all the little Phillips and Torx bits and flathead, you name it, Allen. Got a ton of accessories, but I just use it for changing strings and it works awesome. Thing changes strings in a hurry. Thanks.
Love it. Ordered this from Amazon, and this is really nice. I really do like this. It got everything that I need in this joint. Love it. Awesome.
The setting is on 1, and it's still strong enough to break a screw off.